Okay, so the next thing I'll show you is the candidate search. So if we go to the candidate search, this once again has been designed with decades of usage and many requirements built in. Okay, so it's a relatively simple interface, but it's very powerful in what it can do. So profile codes are your magic dust. So they can be set up for your system, and those are the things that allow you as an agency to define how you categorize your candidates and your contacts. Okay, so they are always there. And so say for example I'm looking for an electrician. If I start typing in this box here and I have these profile codes set up, it will allow me to populate the profile codes from there. This can be full Boolean, so I can do ors or ands or nots, or so I can find exactly the right person. Now you've got two buttons on the screen here. One of them allows you to load a previous search that you might have saved, and the other one allows you to save a search. And you can save things across the system at three different levels, either personally for you or for your branch. So if you've got a team for your branch, or across the entire system, and which will be available to everyone. Okay, so that everyone will see it in this box here. But this allows you to create searches, save searches. So that's very powerful. The next thing that I want to show you is the history that you can see from a candidate immediately when you're searching. So I've ticked here two extra boxes that I want to display on the candidate search, the CV match and the job history. Now this can be very handy when it comes to searching. So let's just say I'm looking for a teacher. And I can do it by postcode, by the postcode distance around it. I can do it by any number of different fields that I have access to. And these, I think, you can just start using what you need. And if you have any more requirements, just let us know, and it's probably in the system already, and we'll be able to tell you how to do it within the system. Okay. But I have a CV search for a teacher. So if I click list, this will now look through all the CVs that we've had uploaded and present to me what it thinks is the best match. Okay. So if you look at this chap here, I've got Doug Wade. So he's been a fantastic teacher for a long time, and I can see all the aspects of where the teacher is in the CV. But on top of that, and what makes it, I think, very powerful, is that I can see his last 3 jobs on this job history section here. So that means that I can get to a candidate with a job history just from this screen, and I can start to make the decision whether this person is someone I want to take forward to something just from this screen. Okay. Now, every time I see a candidate button here, I can do different things. I can do things like add this candidate to a job shortlist just from this screen here, which makes it very convenient of handling, if I'm handling a job at the same time, just from the candidate search screen, I can add them to a job shortlist.